At Atlas Valuation, we approach the appraisal process differently. For us, it's not about being the biggest. Instead, we take pride in providing the very best to our chosen clients and emphasize delivering a superior borrower experience, unrivaled service, competitive pricing, and prompt delivery. To learn more, visit atlasvms.com or call or click on the banner below this video.
You can remain in your home for the rest of your life. It's a government benefit. It's a government program. Now, these are just a few examples of several reverse mortgage myths that persist to this day. And some of them are so common, they bring to mind the Mandela Effect. The Mandela Effect is where our collective memory just fails us. And the name comes from a researcher who wrongly recalled that Nelson Mandela died in the 1980s, and she even remembered the news coverage of his funeral. Yet, Nelson Mandela didn't die until 2013, and he served as president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. Okay, how about this one, Star Wars fans? Darth Vader said, "Luke, I am your father." No, he actually said,
"No, I am your father."
So now that we understand that our collective memories can be faulty, here are several examples of the Mandela Effect that you may find in reverse mortgage lending. So you might want to make sure that you're not seeing any of these on your emails, your website, or marketing communications. The first and the most common that I still see today is that the reverse mortgage provides income. Well, thankfully it doesn't. Otherwise, our borrowers would be reporting it on their 1040 as regular taxable income. Reverse mortgages provide loan proceeds. That's it, period. How about this? You can never outlive your money with a reverse mortgage. I used to see a lot of ads with that. Well, you sure as heck can. Any borrower who defaults on the terms of their loan will not only lose access to any funds that they may have left in their HECM line of credit, or their monthly tenure payments would stop, but they could have a loan called due and payable. How about this one? Non-borrowing spouses. Let's say you have a couple that's receiving a monthly tenure payment of $1,000 a month from their HECM, but he dies and he's the primary borrower. Does she, as a non-borrowing spouse, continue to receive those payments? No, she doesn't. Now, she can remain in the home if she's the named non-borrowing spouse, but any access to a line of credit or tenure payments they were receiving will cease upon the death of the primary borrower. Reverse mortgages give you tax-free money. Well, not so fast. Generally speaking, reverse mortgage loan proceeds are not taxable or tax deferred. Generally is the operative word. But reverse mortgages do have taxes if you account for property taxes, transfer taxes, and recording fees. And that was a point that was made by Dan Hultquist and Jim McMinn in a session called The Rules of the Game, which they presented at the annual meeting of NORMLA in 2019. By the way, the Rules of the Game will be returning this year in San Diego at the NORMLA annual meeting. That will be on Wednesday, September 25th at 10 a.m. So if you are attending, be sure to try to get into that session. I think you'll enjoy it and find it very informative and entertaining. So let's do a short self-assessment to see if any of us have fallen prey to the Mandela Effect as a reverse mortgage professional. And we can begin by asking ourselves some of these questions. First, how long does a lifetime expectancy set-aside pay property taxes and homeowners insurance on behalf of the homeowner? For their lifetime? Does a reverse mortgage lend a homeowner a percentage of their home's equity? When could a reverse mortgage see the loan proceeds treated as taxable? Is a HECM line of credit guaranteed to grow each and every year? If not, why? And for those of you paying attention, I'm going to go home tonight and see if Mr. Monopoly really does have a monocle. Have a great weekend. Be sure to thank our sponsor, Atlas Valuation. We have a short message for them right here in a moment, and we'll see you here next Friday for more Food for Thought. Have a great weekend.
At Atlas Valuation, we approach the appraisal process differently. For us, it's not about being the biggest. Instead, we take pride in providing the very best to our chosen clients and emphasize delivering a superior borrower experience, unrivaled service, competitive pricing, and prompt delivery. To learn more, visit atlasvms.com or call or click on the banner below this video.